Hello everybody, my name is Shufaay Kibèèy. My birth names are Timothy Njobe in Goran, but with the traditional duties assigned to me by the font of Biami, I am now called Shufaay Kibèèy. I work for Science Application International, which is a defense contractor with the U.S. Department of Defense, and my current role is Senior Cloud Compute Engineer.
Took me long to be long.
What motivated me to join WirfonCloud a couple of years ago was a friend by name Kitav, who himself is also a cloud guru at the moment. And we got talking when COVID hit, and he talked about cloud, and then as we got talking, WirfonCloud became part of the conversation, and that was how I came to know about WirfonCloud. I wouldn't be where I am today without WirfonCloud. From the moment I was introduced to WirfonCloud, the journey has been really awesome. We started with the certifications, the practitioner exams, which went through. I think I was one of the last persons in my group to take the exams, and when I took the exam and passed, it kind of motivated me, and I went in for the Solutions Architect Associate, and I got that as well. And I think it is that Solutions Architect Associate certification that kind of really laid out for me the path to follow. And so here we are, and it's been, 2-3 years now, and WirfonCloud has been my family since then.
Let it choke, let it smoke on my agony.
In terms of how WirfonCloud has really contributed to shaping my personality and kind of bringing the best out of me is the training sessions. Especially my group. In my group, we had really awesome, brothers and sisters who were really not just there for fun, but dedicated people who wanted to learn what cloud was there to offer. And through my interaction with these people, I really began to understand what it means to be dedicated to a cause. And so for me, that kind of a study spirit, which WirfonCloud impacted in me, is what has actually shaped me to be who I am today. The thing that WirfonCloud really stands out from every other training platform in so many ways. One of the things, like I mentioned before, is that at WirfonCloud, we are a family first and foremost. We are truly a family. And then secondly, the fact that our facilitators, our mentors, are people who have had a lot of experience in cloud, across the board and across so many cloud platforms. I could call them cloud agnostic, somewhat. They are really empowered with knowledge, and they are not selfish with this knowledge. They are ready to give at little or no cost. And I think that sets WirfonCloud aside from every other platform. Even as I have continued to do what I'm doing today in my professional career, WirfonCloud continues to inspire me. I come back and I share my story, and I get to listen to the stories of others who have gone through the platform and have recorded these successes just like myself. And it is just amazing what WirfonCloud has been able to do within this short period of time. We've produced cloud engineers, we've produced DevOps engineers, we've produced Scrum Masters. It is just so amazing. And I think that this is just the tip of the iceberg, because when I look at the future of WirfonCloud, I see it so big. Look guys, WirfonCloud is the place for you to begin your cloud journey. It has everything you need. It has the best mentors out there. When I joined WirfonCloud years ago, little did I know that I would find myself here. If I am here advising you to not be overwhelmed when you get into WirfonCloud, is because I am a testimony of what WirfonCloud is able to do. And if WirfonCloud did it for me, I guarantee you that WirfonCloud will do it for you. Start your cloud journey with WirfonCloud, and I guarantee you in 2 or 3 years from now, you will stand here giving the same testimony I'm giving to you today, working for one of the most reputable companies. I would not have imagined this, if not for WirfonCloud. And all I can say is thank you, WirfonCloud. And out of WirfonCloud, we roll the cloud. Thank you.
yeah.